Craig, not the first time we've been here at Kerf Developments looking at your technology, always new innovations. Tell us about the Plasmaster.
The Plasmaster was developed to fill a gap in the market that we perceived from people that were buying an entry-level machine through to, say, one of our mid-range or high-end ultra-sharp plasma machines.
It's obvious to me what the machine is, but can you tell the viewers, it's a plasma cutter and what it can actually do?
Yeah, this is a Plasmaster 3015. The numbering system relates to the bed length, which is 3 meters, and the width, which is 1500 millimeters. Yeah, what we didn't want to do was compromise on the quality. So in terms of the parts that make up the machine, it's got a Bernie control and drive system. It's got twin side drive. We've got AC brushless motors, so that the delivery of the acceleration and deceleration on the machine is very, very good, and that results in good cut quality.
So when kind of like the bridge is travelling, you say you've got twin side motors. Where's the advantage with that? Is it because you get a more stable? Is a more stable construction?
Yeah, as each drive's moving down the rack and pinion, that's being information on that is being sent back to the controller, and it's just making sure that they're synchronized, so it's got a perfectly smooth motion.
Do you often find that some then just use one-sided motors?
Some machines do have a single-side motor, and for some applications such as oxyfuel, that's enough. But for high-speed plasma cutting, we do need to know that we're actually moving with them synchronized.
What about extraction as well? Extraction from after you're cutting or while you're cutting?
The design of the table is such that we're only ever evacuating a small area. So we've got 500 mil wide bins. The parts drop down into the bin, and then the air around that 500 mil area is evacuated either by a fan or by a filtration system.
So yeah, what's the advantage to that? It's kind of aimed at a smaller area to extract.
Yeah, I mean, if we were looking to save money, and we could just build a 3 meter by 1500 bed, put a huge fan on and try and evacuate that whole area, but it still wouldn't be very efficient.
It's attention to detail, really, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, it's got to go into an environment where it's safe for the operator, and it just runs reliably.
What thickness would you be cutting on a machine like this typically?
We've actually cut some 25 mil on this machine, but we would sell this machine with 100 amp plasma to probably pierce and cut 12 to 15 mil.
Because your range of machines is pretty extensive, so I'm hearing here, Craig, that this is a machine that would go into maybe a company that at the moment was subcontracting their work out. Maybe they didn't feel they had enough work to bring in one of your larger machines, and this would be a good start for them.
If people have got a huge requirement and or something in terms of quality that they really need, like a laser type quality, then they'd look at other models in the range. This is for a small workshop that want to make 2 of these, 4 of those, 5 of those, but they need them immediately.
Control is always a big thing, and that's what you get from having your own machine. I just want to finally ask you about the control system on this. I've asked you earlier about compromising machine build, which evidently there isn't any. The stability's there, the machining envelope, as we can see here, is pretty extensive too. But what about the control? How do you program this machine? Is it easy?
The key part of the machine really is the control and drive system, and for that we've selected Bernie. All of the Kerf machines throughout the range, be it a water jet, be it an ultra sharp plasma, we like Bernie. It's bulletproof and it never lets us down.
All right, that's a good finishing point there. These machines are available in stock, aren't they? This particular machine is here, available to go. It's part of the beauty of this, a very competitively priced, high performance plasma cutting machine that's here, ready to go. Correct?
Absolutely. I mean, we could pick this up, put it on the back of a wagon. You can have it delivered and installed in a morning. Come
with a warranty, training?
Yeah, training, support, service, and we keep all spares for all Kerf machines in stock here.
And I think for you guys here at Kerf, it really does kind of complement your existing range, doesn't it? It means you can satisfy all needs now, from small to large manufacturing outlets.
Yeah, it's a compact machine that just fills a little niche for people that want to cut parts but don't really want to go down to an entry-level type machine.